What's up, team? All right, so a very fast trade review for Tesla, and just going to kind of walk through my approach and play on this. So first and foremost, it's all about losing small and winning more than you lose. That's the key. So playing Tesla, didn't get a chance to play this trade as nicely as I would like to have. I was looking at it in a different account with options and whatever. Didn't make any money on that trade. But here's the one I'm looking at. Bear candle closing of the 10. Entry was there. Stop loss was there. This trade started working. Looked amazing. Didn't look amazing. Bull candle below the 10. That's it. So when this candle came in, had to get out. Stop loss below that candle, and then flipped it on the short position. So again, this is just so you can kind of see that was, I went long 500, got out of 500, right, lost, and then went short 600, and then cover those 600 down here at 715. So my stop loss on this particular trade was right about here, and overall, popping back over here, a small net gain of about half an hour on Tesla so far today. And that's it. That's what I got. So ladies and gentlemen, quick little review. 2 trades, 1 winner, 1 loser. Almost an everyday thing for me. Win more than you lose. Make that money. You guys are fantastic. Love you. Bye.